All right, I'm here with James and Spencer from Worx. Worx have been a long-time promoter and sponsor of the podcast, and James is going to do a couple of facts about their most popular product, one that we talk about tons, one that I use often, the Worx Hydroshot. James, hit me with some facts, brother.
So this is the Worx Hydroshot. It's a battery-operated pressure washer. It's really good. So it's got an interchangeable battery system,
Which goes across all Worx.
Yeah, so it's the Worx Power Share system. It's called. It goes across all of the different Worx battery-powered products. It's really good because the hose that comes with it, you can use any water source.
Yeah.
It's got a little filter on the end, so it doesn't bring all the muck up. You can also connect it to your garden hose.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I've used it again, like at the bottom of a trail in a river. Dip that thing in, wash your bike off. That way, you're not going home with a dirty bike.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
Exactly. Yeah.
Spencer, what you got?
I think the best bit about the product is the fact it's light and compact. You can actually take all the bits and bobs apart, so it's straight in the van, no problem.
Yeah.
Perfect for cleaning the bike down after a good session.
Yeah.
And I think the best thing as well, you just stick it straight in the lake pond, sucks all the water up. It's great, really good bit of kit.
It is, and also what I like, it's not like too powerful.
No.
So some like petrol jet washers or maybe a
Compared to like your cartridges, when it's too heavy for the bearings
and stuff.
Yeah,
so this thing,
yeah.
like, yeah, perfect, amazing. So if you don't already know, Worx, check them out. Thank you for coming, appreciate it. Get some dust off.
There you go, yeah.